Alright, here we're doing a simple pressure tank replacement job here. And just to check on a few things, want to make sure the pressure tank isn't waterlogged. This one, yeah, you should be able to move it up and down, so that's a good sign. If it feels like it's completely full, it's a bad sign there. Alright. Next we're going to look at the pressure switch itself. As you can see there, the terminals are a touch worn out. They're kind of black. And, yeah, kind of sparking a little bit. So, what we'll do next is we'll turn off the pressure, turn off the electricity to the well. So the power's off. And then I'm just going to check to make sure that there is no electricity. Using this multimeter. The needle didn't move. Needle doesn't move. It doesn't move. If you're risky, you can give it a quick touch. Alright, so no electricity there. Alright, it's currently draining. Water pressure is going down. Just have a nice quick fall. Then while it's draining, I'm going to loosen up these wires. And I'm remembering it. See, it's got the white on the right, white on the right, black on the left. That's because you want to wire them accordingly. If you don't wire them accordingly, the pump will be constantly running. This pressure switch is meant to stop and start when it hits a certain high level and a low level of pressure. If you don't do it that properly, it'll run the pump the whole time. So no use having the pump run if it's not needed. Wear the pump a lot faster. It might even wear the pump to cause it to blow itself off your drop pipe. Alright. 3/4 inch box wrench fits right on this fitting here. And twist and remove accordingly. Alright, and you want to add some Rector Seal or Teflon tape to the pipe. This helps lubricate, and this helps prevent any sort of leaks, as you don't want a leak here. Alright, and I'm going to tighten this up accordingly. As you can see, I did replace that nipple, so yeah, the one was looking worn. Don't want to leak inside. Get this nice and tight. Really just tighten up so it doesn't leak more than anything. It doesn't need to be that whole one turn away from breaking. Start to get kind of tight. This over the wires. Just tighten that up. Pushing down the little notches there with the screwdriver. Tight. And currently attaching the wires. So white on the right, black on the left. That's where, that's where men were done. So, and the black is on the left. Alright. So the way it works is when the pressure is at a certain level. Right now it's closed. I got electricity to it. It opens, it turns the electricity off. That's all based on the pressure. This is probably set at 40 and 60. Okay, so it's wired up. Now I'm just going to simply turn the power on. As you can see, the terminals are closed. Pressure is now at 60 psi, and look over at the pressure switch there. You can see it is open, so the power has shut off. And by simply pushing this with something else, you can hear that slight hum. That's the pump running. Let go, pushes back. Okay, and there you have it. You have your standard pressure switch replacement job.